Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. It is not your usual tutorial Thursdays. We are going to be hijacking that. However, this week hasn't really been in line with my uploads anyways, since I accidentally uploaded on Tuesday rather than Monday. However, that being said, today's video is going to be on budget lighting. It's an unboxing of budget lights from Neewer. It's the 480 LED panels from Neewer, and it was on Amazon for $189.99. So I bought these for, first and foremost, for my company. I have a project coming up in 2 weeks time, which I needed them for, so decided to buy them. It works out that I can use them more in different things, therefore it's a valid purchase, I feel, rather than renting them every single time I needed them. So with that being said, we're going to jump into the unboxing. It is a massive box, just here. So yeah, I'll set it down on the floor and we'll open it and I'll show you what's in the box itself. Right, so this is the box that it comes in, and if anybody has any suggestions, please let me know. However, it comes in this box. That's damage proof, delivery driver, so we'll see. So once inside, you have the 3 stands and some nice crushed, damaged boxing. You have your 3 panels here, and inside said panels it comes in a nice wee bag. Inside each of these should be the panel and the U-bracket that it comes attached to. Yep. So here is the panel itself. Quite small, but it gives off a decent light rating. Has battery input on the back or AC/DC power. You've got your battery switch or your power switch, your dimmers for light colour themselves, and a nice sturdy aluminium frame, aluminium light apart from the back, which is plastic. So I will be running some tests prior to using them in the company video, and I will post my findings there. If you want to know more about where I got these, link is down in the description. Alright guys, so what I did miss out in those little bags that have the lights in them, they each have a power adapter, which is the block, and these cables. The only thing I foresee being an issue is the length of these cables themselves. If you want to know any more about these, then leave a comment down below. There is a link in the description for these lights if you want to buy them yourself. As I said, they were £189.99. Not sure if that was on offer, but it's a three set of lights, and you can do 3-point lighting with them for YouTube videos, etc. There will be a full review on these and how they worked in the production environment in the next couple of weeks, how that goes. And if you want to see some more content like this, I would like you to subscribe. If not, then please check back for more content. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the film, peace.